Have you ever felt like you're constantly reacting to the behavior of your specific person? Do you find yourself caught in a cycle of frustration and powerlessness in your relationships? What if I told you there's a way to break free from this pattern and reclaim your power? In this eye-opening video, we'll explore the revolutionary teachings of Neville Goddard and discover how you can stop reacting to your specific person's behavior. Imagine a life where you no longer feel at the mercy of someone else's actions. Picture yourself confidently navigating your relationships with a sense of empowerment and control. It's not as far-fetched as it may seem. Neville Goddard's profound insights offer a roadmap to transform your relationships and reclaim your personal power. Let's dive deep into the heart of Neville's teachings and uncover the key principles that will revolutionize the way you approach your relationships. From the power of imagination to the art of assumption, Neville's techniques provide a powerful toolkit for creating the relationships you desire. But first, we need to understand why we react to our specific person's behavior in the first place. It often stems from a place of fear and insecurity, a belief that we are somehow lacking or unworthy. But the truth is, our reactions only serve to perpetuate this cycle of negativity and disempowerment. So how do we break free from this pattern? Neville teaches us that the key lies in shifting our focus from reaction to creation. Instead of being passive observers of our relationships, we must become active participants in their manifestation. This means taking responsibility for our thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions about ourselves and our specific person. One of Neville's most powerful teachings is the concept of assumption. He teaches us that we must assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, as if our desired outcome has already come to pass. This shift in consciousness allows us to align with the reality we wish to create and bypass the limitations of our current circumstances. But assumption alone is not enough. We must also cultivate a deep sense of faith and trust in the creative power of our imagination. This means letting go of doubt and skepticism and fully embracing the belief that we have the power to shape our reality. As we begin to practice these principles in our daily lives, we'll notice a profound shift in our relationships. Instead of reacting to our specific person's behavior with fear or frustration, we'll respond with confidence and clarity. We'll no longer feel the need to control or manipulate the outcome, knowing that our thoughts and intentions are enough to manifest our desires. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of Neville's teachings is the realization that we are the ultimate creators of our reality. We have the power to choose how we show up in our relationships, regardless of the behavior of our specific person. By taking ownership of our thoughts and assumptions, we can create the relationships we truly desire. Let me illustrate this with a real-life example. Imagine a woman named Sarah who is in a tumultuous relationship with her partner. She finds herself constantly reacting to his mood swings and unpredictable behavior, feeling powerless to change the dynamics of their relationship. However, after discovering Neville's teachings, Sarah decides to take a different approach. Instead of dwelling on her partner's actions, she focuses on cultivating a sense of inner peace and empowerment within herself. She starts practicing Neville's techniques of assumption, visualizing a harmonious and loving relationship with her partner. As she shifts her mindset and beliefs, she begins to notice a gradual transformation in their relationship. Her partner becomes more attentive and supportive, and their interactions become more positive and fulfilling. Sarah realizes that by changing her thoughts and assumptions, she has the power to create the loving relationship she desires. In conclusion, remember that you hold the power to shape your relationships and your reality. By embracing Neville Goddard's teachings and shifting from reaction to creation, you can transform your interactions with your specific person and cultivate the loving, harmonious relationships you desire. It's time to reclaim your power, let go of fear and doubt, and step into a new way of being, a way that is guided by faith, intention, and the unwavering belief in your own creative potential. So, as you embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, remember these words. You are the architect of your destiny, the master of your fate. With every thought, every belief, every assumption, you are shaping the world around you. Trust in the process, have faith in yourself, and know that the power to create the life and relationships you desire lies within you. Together, let's unleash our power, embrace our potential, and create a reality filled with love, joy, and abundance. The journey may not always be easy, but it will undoubtedly be worth it. So let's take the first step together and embark on this extraordinary adventure of self-discovery and conscious creation. Are you ready to stop reacting and start creating? The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. Let's make every moment count and live our lives to the fullest. Remember, you are infinitely capable, endlessly creative, and absolutely deserving of all the love and happiness the universe has to offer. Here's to a future filled with love, abundance, and limitless possibilities. Let's make it happen, one thought at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this quest for wisdom and self-mastery.